Hi guys, so we are in San Francisco and we figured while we were here, we might as well go meet one of my most favorite internet cats ever, Hamilton the hipster cat. Because he's Hammy, clap along if you're Hammy, like you are Hamilton. We haven't worked on the lyrics yet. I brought my favorite shirt. I don't know if Hammy's gonna like it. I really want to get a picture of me wearing the shirt next to Hamilton. Starting our road trip to find Hammy. Let's go. Because he's Hammy, clap along if you feel. So before we actually go to meet Hammy, we're gonna get him a little gift bag. We're gonna get him some treats, and we're also gonna get some coffees for ourselves because let's face it, I've exerted all of my energy just thinking about Hammy for the past few days. We found some more toys. Wait, look at these. Skitter critters. Aww. So many options. So we've gotta prep the gift bag for Hammy, and we're almost there. I'm so excited. I can just smell the perfect scent of ham. Me. Time to find Hamilton. Okay, so we just got back from hanging out with Hamilton, and oh my gosh, it was honestly the greatest day ever. Hammy is the cutest cat that I've ever seen in my entire life. Just so sweet and just has the greatest mustache ever. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out Hammy on Instagram. It's Hamilton the hipster cat, and also I'll put a link to his YouTube channel. I love Hammy so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.